A man sells table at 15% profit and chair at 12% loss. So here we have been given two scenarios, table and chair. I have not been given the cost price, so I will assume something here. इसका cost 100x है, इसका cost 100y है. So he sells table at 15% profit. So 15% profit will be 15x. And chair has 12% loss, मतलब minus 12y. So overall he earns 810 in this scenario. If he sells table at 12% loss, which means minus 12x here, and chair at 15% profit, which means plus 15y here, then he bears no profit, no loss, which means here it will be 0. There is no profit, no loss if I add these two up. So I got equation 15x minus 12y is 810 and minus 12x plus 15y is 0. So this I will get 3x plus 3y is 810. So x plus y is 270. So one equation I got here, and second equation I will take from here. 15x minus 12y is 810 and x plus y is 270. I'll further reduce this. I think this will cut by 3. So 5x minus 4y is 270 and x plus y is 270. I'll multiply this by 5 into 5, correct? Then I will do simultaneously minus minus minus. This will get cut. Minus 9y is minus 270 into 4, because 5 times 270 minus 1 times 270 is minus 4 times 270. ये कट हो जाएगा, माइनस माइनस 9 ये 30 हो जाएगा. तो y is 120. तो y की वैल्यू 120 निकली. फाइंड द सीपी ऑफ चेयर. तो चेयर का सीपी 100y है, तो 100 इंटू y is 120. 12,000 is the answer. Okay, let's move ahead. 3 articles were bought at 200 per article. If one is sold at 10% loss and other 2 articles are sold such that 20% profit is made on whole transaction, what is the profit made on 2 articles? So I have 3 articles. Article 1, 200, 200, 200. 1, 2, 3. This is sold at 10% loss. How much I should sell both this at so that overall I get plus 20%, right? So I know if I do it by allegation, this will be 200 and inka combined cost will be 400, which means their cost will be in the ratio of 1:2, and this ratio of the difference of rates also would be same. So let us say it is being sold, both these articles are sold at X% profit. So if I multiply, this is 30, this is X minus 20. So x minus 20, the difference in rates ka ratio should be equal to the ratio of the costs. So this will be x minus 20 is 15. So x is 35. So both these articles put together should be sold at 35% profit if this is sold at minus 10% profit to get an average of 20%. Okay. Next. If I get a profit of 10% on selling a horse for 400 and a buffalo for 1400, if I get a loss of 15% on selling horse at 3900 and buffalo at CP, find difference of buffalo and horse CP. So we did table and chair example similarly. The same way you have to do this sum. Okay. So I'll give this sum as an homework. Two cows were bought at 1800. First was sold at 16.67 profit and second at 25% profit. If first was sold as 25% profit and second as 16.67 profit, he would get 50 rupees more than what he got earlier. Find difference between cost price of 2 cows. So let us say CP1 and CP2. First one was sold at 16.67% profit. So 16.67% is 1 by 6. तो उसको 1 by 6 profit मिला. तो 1 by 6 of CP1, that was his profit here. And second at 25% profit, which means 25% is 1 by 4 of CP2. तो इसका first scenario में profit is 1 by 6 CP1 plus 1 by 1. This is profit 1. And if the first was sold at 25% profit, which means 1 by 4 CP1 उसका profit होता और second वाले का 1 by 6 CP2 profit होता, तो इसको पहले से 50 ज्यादा मिलते. Correct? So can I write 1 by 4 CP1 plus 1 by 6 CP2 is P1 की जगह ये डाल दूं मैं 1 by 6 CP1 plus 1 by 4 CP2 plus 50, right? No, sorry, this is P1 plus 50. To make them equal, I need to add 50 on the, नहीं, correct, this was right. पहले वाले में 50 add किया ना यहाँ पर. So that's the equation. Now we have to just simply solve this equation. So I take this on this side. So 1 by 4 CP1 minus 1 by 6 CP1. 6, so 2 by 24 CP1. And this I take here, so it will be minus 2 by 224 CP2 is 50. So CP1 minus CP2 upon 12 is 50. So difference in both the prices, CPs are 600 rupees. So 600 is the answer, difference of cost price between two cows. Very simple sum. Let us try to wind this up. Next couple of questions. Two buffaloes were sold at 150 rupees. First buffalo is sold at 33.33% loss and second at 20% profit. Cost price of first buffalo is equal to the selling price of second buffalo. Find overall profit or loss in rupees. Okay. So first buffalo is sold at 13.33 is 1 by 3%, 1 by 3 in fraction. So which means if 3 was the cost, 1 was the loss, 2 was the selling price. And second at 20% profit. So 20% profit is 1 by 5, which means 5 was the cost, 1 was the profit, and 6 was the CP. Cost price of first buffalo, that is 3, is equal to the selling price of the second buffalo. तो ये 3 है, ये 6 है, तो दोनों को सेम करना पड़ेगा, तो इसको मैं 2 से मल्टीप्लाई करूंगा. So this will become 6 minus 2, 4, and नीचे वाला 5, 1 and 6. Now these two became same, what is being told in the sum. Find the overall profit or loss. So now I am being given overall profit and loss. तो overall loss हुआ minus 2 plus 1, minus 1 loss हुआ है. But minus 1 की वैल्यू मैं निकालूं कैसे? Because I have been given the value of total selling price. Two buffaloes were sold at 150. तो यहाँ पर एक 4 में एक 6 में, तो दोनों को 10 में बेचा है. 10 की वैल्यू 150 दे रखी है, तो एक की वैल्यू 15 होगी और एक का ही लॉस हुआ है, तो मेरे को ओवरऑल 15 रुपए का लॉस हुआ है. सो आई गॉट लॉस ऑफ 15 rupees. 15 is the answer here. In a country, 55% population is female, 80% of male population is literate. How much percentage of female are literate if total literacy is 58%? So suppose population 100% लेता हूं मैं, मेल पॉपुलेशन एंड फीमेल पॉपुलेशन में डिवाइड कर लेते हैं. 55% is female, so 45 would be male. 80% of male population is literate. So इसका 80% is 4 by 5. तो 5 का वैल्यू 45 है, तो 4 का वैल्यू 36 होगा. सो 36 मेल्स आर लिटरेट एंड टोटल लिटरेसी इज 58, है ना. टोटल लिटरेसी इज 58. 100 में से 58 लिटरेट है, यहाँ 36 है, तो फीमेल 22 होंगे ना. बट वी आर बीइंग आस्क्ड हाउ मच परसेंटेज ऑफ फीमेल आर लिटरेट. सो 22 आउट ऑफ 55 आर लिटरेट, दैट इज 2 by 5, that is 2 into 1 by 5, that is 2 into 1 by 5 is 20%. So 40% of females are literate. So that brings an end to this video. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please keep watching such videos. I will keep coming with lot of chapters, lot of subjects, lot of topics, lot of concepts. See you very soon.